Let's start conversations. Kubanda Masulu. One of the first words you'll hear and use when speaking Lingala is Mbote. While it's often followed by a person's name, such as Mbote Jenny or Mbote Elena, it's just as common to use it on its own as a friendly greeting. Once you've mastered Mbote, you can take your greetings a step further by asking how things are going. The most common way to do this in Lingala is by saying Sangonini, Sangonini, what's new, or our things. Sango means news and Nini means what. So the phrase literally translates to what news, Sangonini. There are a few standard responses to this question. Sangote, you can reply Sangote, not much or nothing new. Te is the Lingala word for no. So Sangote means no news, literally. Or you can respond Sango Malamu. Things are good. Sango Malamu. Malamu means good. This response simply means good news or everything is fine. They might return the question and ask, how are you? A simple way to handle this without diving too deep into grammar is by learning two key phrases. Ozali Malamu, are you good? Are you well? Ozali means you are, and Malamu means good. Ozali Malamu means literally, are you good? Mastering these basic greetings will allow you to confidently engage in small talk, making it easier to connect with people in everyday interactions. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and you'll likely get a warm response from native speakers who appreciate your effort to speak their language. If you are feeling well, the simple and most common response is Nazali Malamu. I'm good. However, if you are not feeling well, you can say Nazali Malamute. Nazali Malamute. I'm not good. Literally, I am good not. While this is grammatically correct response, keep in mind that saying Nazali Malamute will likely lead to follow-up questions in Lingala because people care and they're gonna ask you what's wrong. If you're not yet comfortable handling more complex conversations, it may be best to keep things positive for now. How do you return the question then? It's always polite to ask how the other person is after they have asked about you. There are two simple ways to do this. Ozali Malamu, are you well? Or you can say Nayo, Nayo, and you. Or you can also say Bonio, how are you? Bonio. Most often, you'll hear the reply Nazali Malamu in return. Mastering these basic greetings will help you build connections and make a great first impression in Lingala speaking communities. The more you use them, the more natural they feel. When meeting and greeting people in Kinshasa, there is a standard set of questions and responses that are commonly used. Mbote, hello. Mbote nayo, hello to you, used when greeting one person. Mbote na bino, Mbote na bino, hello to you all, used when greeting multiple people. How do you ask how someone is? It's simple. The question is, Ozali Malamu, are you well? And the answer usually is a positive one saying, Nazali Malamu, Nazali Malamu, which translates to, I am well. How do you ask about news? The question is, Sangonini, Sangonini, what's new? Sangonini. And the answer usually is a positive one, saying Sangote, nothing new. Or you can say Sangomalam, things are good. How do you return the question to someone? You say Nayo, which means and you, Nayo, and you can also say Bonio, how are you? Bonio. These basic greetings will help you navigate daily interactions in Kinshasa and other Lingala speaking regions. Learning and using them will make your conversations more natural and enjoyable. Okay, let's practice now. How do you greet someone? You say Mbote. And how do you ask about how they feel or how they're doing? You say Sangonini. The answer to that question can be Nazali Malamu, I'm good. Or Nazali Malamu te, I'm not good. But they can return the question to you. Instead of saying Sangonini again or Uzali Malamu again, they will just say Nayo or Bonio. That just means they're asking you the same question. And you can just respond Nazali Malamu.